If you are here wondering whether you should buy the Timex Marlin, my answer is generally yes. However, stick with me throughout this review to gain some deeper insights and determine whether it is worth the price. Timex has been around for over 160 years. They are known for making durable and affordable timepieces. The Marlin line, originally released in the 1960s, was Timex's way of dipping its toes into the world of automatic movements. And here we are, decades later, still talking about it. So, does this watch hold up in 2025? Let's find out. Now, let's dive into the specs. The Timex Marlin comes in a 40mm case with an 11.5mm thickness. It's thin enough to slide under a cuff, but still beefy enough to feel substantial. It has a lug width of 20mm and lug to lug distance is 48mm, making it wearable for most wrists. It's got a Miyota automatic movement and a mineral crystal. More on both later. 30 meters of water resistance rating, meaning it can handle rain, but don't take it swimming unless you're feeling adventurous or maybe reckless. All of this for around $249. But is it still? Keep watching. The 40 millimeters case is that Goldilocks size. Not too big, not too small. Just right. On my 7-inch wrist, it's a snug fit, sitting comfortably. At 11.5 millimeters thick, it's slim enough to slide under a sleeve without putting up a fight. And with a lug to lug of 48 millimeters, even folks with smaller wrists can pull it off without looking like, they raided their dad's watch collection. Basically, it wears like a dream, if your dream includes vintage vibes and mechanical movements. While mineral crystal isn't as scratch resistant as sapphire, but at this price point, it's not exactly shocking. Think of it as the good enough option that will hold up against daily wear. So at this price, it's a fair trade off between cost and durability. The leather strap is surprisingly nice, soft, comfortable, and it gives off that vintage, I know my watches kind of vibe. The stitching is clean and the buckle is solid, offering a secure fit. That said, if you are into sporty straps or metal bracelets, you might want to swap it out. But for casual and dressy occasions, this one does the job. Just don't expect it to survive a gym session. Now, onto the star of the show, the dial. It's simple, clean, and oozes vintage charm. My favorite part is that it doesn't have a date window, or at least it's not awkwardly placed at the 3 o'clock position. You have got dolphin hands and bold hour markers. The sunray pattern is crisp that adds to its vintage charm. The Marlin also comes in different color options, including a stunning blue, a more classic black, and even a bold green. Whatever your style, there's a Marlin for you. Inside the Marlin beats the Miyota 8215, a reliable and well respected entry level movement produced by Citizen's Miyota division. It won't win any awards, but it gets the job done. It's accurate, easy to maintain, and gives you that satisfying automatic sweep without breaking the bank. Power reserve of around 40 hours, so if you take it off for the weekend, it might need a shake to get going again, but that's the charm of mechanical watches. You are part of the action. So, is the Timex Marlin Automatic worth it? If you are new to mechanical watches or you keep collecting them despite your wife's eye rolling, absolutely. It's stylish, well built, and offers that old school charm without the old school price tag. It's not a dive watch, it's not a tool watch, it's a simple, classic timepiece that looks good. If that sounds like your kind of vibe, the Marlin's a winner. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, or at least mildly entertained you, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more watch reviews. And if you don't, well, your watch collection might stay a little less interesting. See you next time on the Watch Reaction.